This video is to show you how to use the catalog to enter your facilities, departments, and equipment for later use in the KeepTrack program. Remember, the catalog is just to list what you have and where it is located. We will add additional information in the correct areas later. To open your catalog, click Catalog Department Equipment on the main screen of your KeepTrack program. For now, you just see the first sub-level. As you enter data, additional sublevels down to sublevel 4 can be used if needed. Whether you have a machine shop, plastic extrusion plant, hotel, restaurant, resort, school, the concept is all the same. You build an outline of groups, areas, systems, departments as is appropriate for you. In our example, we will build a sample catalog for a machine shop. To begin, put the cursor in sublevel 1. You will note here we've already added some items, but you would just type in the item you would like to add, be a building, department, area, your first highest grouping, and just hit enter. That will enter the item into the drop-down list. To enter more items in sublevel 1, just repeat the above. Then, if we want to add items into something we've already got in sublevel 1, we could click, say, in this case, Building 2 Production. And now we've entered some different areas, HVAC for heating, ventilation, air conditioning, some lines that are for production, and then a receiving and shipping area. The process is the same. Just type, enter it in, and click enter. Also note, you can have as many items as you like in each sublevel. Look here and see that we've also entered each item in uniquely. For example, if you had 4 of the exact same welder, you cannot say welder, 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 welder. You must identify them uniquely. Welder 1, welder 2, and so on. Many times companies have asset numbers for their equipment. Use those, like Miller 200 amp 3456. Or in our case, we had some Mazak CNC machines with different serial numbers. This is ideal as you can later use our quick pick to find these items in just a second or two. To view your catalog and optionally print it out, just click Preview Print Catalog at the top left of your form. From the drop-down, select the Catalog Listing Report, and now we have our catalog filter, because maybe you don't want to print the whole list of everything in your catalog. Maybe you only wanted to print a certain department or area. Once you've selected what it is that you'd like to print, just hit Preview Print. And now we have a listing, and you can see in outline form of what we've entered into the catalog. To close the report builder, just click Cancel Close on the catalog menu at the top and Cancel Close on the report builder to take you back to the main catalog screen. To delete an item from the catalog, just filter to the item you wish to delete and then click Delete. You will get a warning message to allow you to cancel the delete, continue, or cancel. Note, you cannot accidentally or intentionally delete everything at once from your database. You must delete from the lowest sublevel items first, working your way up the tree. Once you have removed all of the sublevel items below, then you can delete this particular item. It may seem tedious, but is also so you do not accidentally delete an entire section of your database. To rename an item in the catalog, we select Rename, and then we would select from the drop-down what it is we want to rename. Once we've selected what it is we want to rename, we click Rename Selected Item. We would type in what we'd now like to call it, and then click Save Changes. KeepTrack will then go through, and wherever that is used in the program with these exact same sublevels, rename it to your new entry. New to KeepTrack is the Move a Catalog Item. Suppose you had a piece of equipment in a sublevel and wanted to move it to a new location. Maybe you had a new product line, maybe a new building, maybe a new room or area of your facility. You would click Move a Catalog Item, select from the drop-downs the item you would like to move, then click Item to Move Selected, and then drill down to your new location. Maybe we're moving the exercise room from Building 1 offices to Building 2 production. Select where you would like it moved to, click Move Item to Location, and now that item is moved in the catalog, and all related items that had to do with the exercise room and equipment information, PMs, and logs would all now be moved to that new location in Building 2. When done, click Cancel Close, and you're back to the main catalog menu. When done, click Cancel Close, and if you're finished with your catalog, cancel Close, and that will take you back to the main menu of Keep Track.